I will show you the #1 Forex CA that recovers losses very successfully, and you have full control of the recovery settings, which makes it easy to use. I will show you my results and a new 100k account I started. I'll bring on my recording screen the new Darwinex account, and you will see that the expert advisor is called Wall Street Recovery Pro, and I'm using the version 1.6. And this expert advisor trades on euro dollar, dollar Swiss, pound dollar, dollar yen, Aussie, CAD, and Kiwi. However, the recommendation from the vendor was to use 1 or 2 currency pairs, and for each I needed $1,000. So I decided to put all of them on a Darwinex account. And I started this account yesterday, but I already have $723.70 as a profit. And I'll show you my demo account where I traded all the currency pairs for a little bit longer. And I started this account back on the 6th of May this year. And you will see that I was trading with the lowest volume possible of 0.01. And I already have a profit above 60%. And if I take this track record, you will see some more of the results. And especially I want to show you the currency pairs. So if I click on stats, you can see that the monthly return is 5.6% on average, which is very close to my target of 6% monthly for any expert advisor. The profit factor is 1.89, but if I click on symbol, you will see that the most profitable was CAD with $80, and the most active was dollar yen with 144 trades. But pay attention that all of the currency pairs are actually profitable. But let me show you this recovery option that makes this expert advisor exceptional for me. I'll right click over the chart and I'll go to experts list. I'll go for any of the expert advisors and I'll hit on properties. Now there are plenty of settings, but I'll focus on that one, recovery settings, and by default it is 0. But this doesn't mean it is disabled. It just uses default inputs from the vendor. So from here I can decide how many recovery trades I want to have. And to show you that in practice, I'll switch to the demo account and I'll click on trade. This will show the open trades. So you can see that with the CAD, there was one short trade with 0.01, and then there were 2 consecutive recovery trades. So I'll switch to the dollar CAD and I will zoom out to show you exactly what happened. So right in here, you can see that there were some trades, but if I zoom out even more, you'll see that there is this short trade right at this line, and there are a few more with a take profit at a stop loss above. Now the expert opened initially 1 trade and then it opened 2 recovery trades after that. Now I as a trader can decide if I want to allow the expert advisor to open 1 more recovery trade. So I'll go to the inputs and I'll hit on expert list. I will go to the properties of the dollar CAD, and you can see that I have set it to 2 previously, but I will increase it to 3 and I will click on OK. So when the expert advisor finds another opportunity, it will open another recovery trade. It's not gonna happen immediately because it is waiting for certain market conditions, but based on what I have in the account, I can decide to allow the expert advisor for another recovery. This doesn't make it as risky as the grid martingale systems, which just keep trading in one direction, keep opening trades and keep blowing accounts. So I can do the same, for example, with the pound dollar. Right in here, you can see that I can allow the expert advisor to have 2 recovery trades. So the 0 is by default one more time, and it had 1 recovery recovery so far. And if I want to allow it another one, I'll just switch to 2 and I'll click on OK, and the settings will apply. And one more time, it is up to me if I want to take that risk. And I've used it in the past and it worked well. So now I'm really interested to see how this expert advisor will perform on a bigger 100k account from Darwinex. And if you don't have one, you can grab a new Darwinex account for just 38 euro sign up fee. And if you use the coupon Petko, you will get an extra discount, so you won't be risking your own money. And now let me show you the Wall Street Recovery Pro real track record from the vendor, which started at the beginning of this year. You can see that there were a few drawdowns, but all of those recovered, and there is a total gain of 11%. If I go a little bit lower, you will see that in this account they are trading the euro dollar and the pound dollar, and that's actually $5,000 account. Right in here we can see it, but one more time, their recommendation was $1,000 for each currency that I want to trade. So instead of 2, they have funded 5k just to make sure they have enough margin. And you can see all of the trades in here. And trading 2 currency pairs, they achieved between 0 and 2.3% a month. So I might consider opening a live account with the most profitable currency pair, which I can easily see at any moment. Usually what I like to do is to look at the performance for the previous quarter, and I know which was the most profitable asset. And in this case, it was the dollar cat. I can keep trading in the live account only the most profitable currency pair, but it should be at least with $1,000. And in the Darwinex account, I'll keep trading all of them, and I'll leave all the links down below in the description. So whenever you're watching the video, you will see how this expert advisor is performing. And if you want to know how I am managing demo live, bigger live accounts, just check out this video on my site, because I have shared everything transparently. As always, guys, I love you and you trade safe. I'll see you in the next video.